We'll start with some shoulder rolls. So start to roll your shoulders out. Right. So if you want to go faster than me, you can. If you want to go slower, if that's what he wants to do with his body, he's welcome to. It might crack, and that's okay. We'll start to stretch.
You want me to crack your back for you, cuz?
I want you to do that.
No, I'm gonna show you. Listen, let me just 1 minute. Look, this is how they done it in the joint. No, it's cool.
So you want to stay on
it's
your
cool.
man.
No, look, come here. Look, let me do it to you. Come here, look, hold your joint right here. Hold your chest. Just hold your arms, man.
You'd have been fucking food in jail.
Come here, hold your arms up here.
You would have been
do like
fucking
this.
food in
No.
jail.
Come here, right here.
I'm trying to do it.
Right here.
You would have made love to that nigga.
Come on, stand up. Just stand up. Come on, hurry up.
Oh my God.